Good morning. Quick update on HEK for any of you still trading it. I know several of you have emailed me and are up already on this one. They're expecting the fourth quarter and full year 2010 financial results on March 14th, as we've discussed. The goal or idea when I initially put this alert out on 222 was to play the ascending triangle here to the breakout side, which it's done, and look for a run up between when I alerted it on 222 and the March 14th results. Today's March 7th, of course, so we're starting to draw near, and I would say start to look to lock in profits soon on this one. Obviously, it could break out above the 627 range on March 14th or before, or it could pull back hard leading up to or on or around the release of those financial results. In this situation, it was a momentum play. Everybody should be winning on this one. Currently, I have no position, but again, I know a lot of you are in it from the emails that you're sending me. So look to lock in your profits soon. 546 to 605 is a good trade. If you got it anywhere around that price range, I think you're doing really well for yourself. A couple of things technically to look at here. All right, we broke this ascending triangle back through here. All right, you had the trough 1, trough 2, you have the upwards trend line here, and the shares pinch together and they break out. That's great. Then what we were looking at is this resistance right through here back in May, and shares broke that, and now I think that'll be support moving forward. You can see that it touched down on Friday and it lifted back up here. What we want to watch for is whether or not it continues to hold that. All right, obviously the RSI was a little bit toppy here. You can see that back through here the RSI got toppy, price pulled back a bit, and then it shot right back up, breaking into a new high, and then it pulled back to support here before the next leg of the run or the development of the ascending triangle, which is the reason for my alert. So basically what I'm looking at is the RSI and whether or not it's going to hold in through this middle range between the 50 and the 70 line. I'd love to see it turn back up here shortly, and if it does that, that shows me there's strength in the stock, continued strength, and that there could be more run up prior to the March 14th news. So keep that in mind. The RSI right now dipping below the 70 line obviously reflects the 2 days of selling. If support is strong through here, it'll trade sideways off of this and turn back up. If it breaks it, personally, I would say lock in profits. It can't hurt to take your money. Well, there's plenty of these ascending triangles. There's plenty of more stocks to watch and play. So HEK is a winner. Keep it a winner. If it holds this, then look to see whether or not you can lock in extra profits between where it is now, right around 579, and this price right here of 627.5. I don't see it in the short term over the next 7 days prior to the financial results breaking through 627, but I could be wrong. Obviously, nobody can predict the future. This is the update on HEK. Congratulations to everybody who's winning on this one. Again, we put it out on 222 at 546. It was an ascending triangle call, and I think between now and the 14th is a good time for you to lock in profits. All right, everybody, take it easy.